Yeti microphone when creating Screencast with Screencast-O-Matic will produce higher quality audio than standard built-in computer microphones. For full instructions on setting up the Yeti, refer to the Yeti mic setup video. Before starting, make sure the Yeti is plugged into the computer. Then, from the top menu bar, navigate to Go and select Applications. Double-click Screencast-O-Matic to launch it. Next, click Record to the top right of the window. Now, click Narration in the Record window and select Yeti Stereo Microphone. If it isn't an option, close the program by navigating to Screencast-O-Matic and select Quit. Then, replug in the mic and launch it again. If problems continue, restart the computer. Click Auto Adjust Volume. Click OK when done. Now that the mic is set up, speak at a comfortable volume in front of the mic, 4 to 10 inches away from it, and watch the volume meter next to narration. The optimal volume level is orange. If the level is constantly too low or stays red, go back into settings and change the mic level, or adjust the gain knob on the back of the Yeti. Adjust other screencast settings as desired and click the red record button when ready. It's a good idea to do a short test take before the full project to address any visual, audible, or technical issues. If you need help, email itech@plu.edu, visit the help desk, or call the support number.